So when I make fresh bread, one thing that I like to do is stock up on some croutons. One thing about making your own bread is it doesn't have a very long shelf life. And this is just one way you can preserve it. So I've got about 4 cups of bread, and honestly, the drier the better here. And I have 1 tablespoon of that copycat good seasoning, and this is the perfect thing to use that for. So I am going to toss my bread with a tablespoon of that. And I kind of go by look and see if like it's all kind of covered. And I think I'm going to do about another half of a tablespoon. Over medium heat, I'm going to melt 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you're doing this in the oven, do your oven on about 350 degrees. Melt this all together in a little saucepan and then toss your bread. But I'm just going to put my bread right in here. In the oven, it's going to take about 13 to 15 minutes. In my skillet here, I'm just going to, over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, kind of just keep tossing them and toasting them. Now, I try to do the least amount of oil that I can, but sometimes it might feel a little dry on you. And this is really going to depend on how moist or dry your bread is. Feels like it's getting really dry in there. You can always drizzle a little more oil over them. Now, when you get about 2 minutes out, you can freshly grate some Parmesan cheese over here. But only do this if you're going to use them right away. If you're making these to store, like I am, then don't do the Parmesan cheese because it really shortens their shelf life. So here's one that's looking perfect. Nice and crispy all the way around. Really nice color on it. And tasty. Now, even though the good season does have some salt in it, I am going to just sprinkle a little kosher salt over the top. So mine are done. Now, my bread was really very fresh, so it did take about 10 minutes. I'm going to put mine on a piece of parchment paper to cool down. If you do yours in the oven, give them a stir 2 or 3 times. Now, here's the thing about making your own croutons. Aside from the fact that they're going to be really good on your salads or maybe even your soups, but if you're in need of some breadcrumbs, you just put these in your food processor and give them a roll, and you have instant breadcrumbs. And now, if you keep these in a really nice, airtight place, weeks to months, I keep mine for a long time. If, in fact, they get a little stale on you, just toast them back up in the oven or on your skillet. Now, when you make them yourself, obviously, you know everything that's in them. And if you've ever read the box or the bag of some of those croutons that you buy, you might think about making them your own. Any kind of bread that you have left over, you can make croutons with. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.